It's a blizzard! What's going on, guys? We're out here today. We're gonna try and catch smallmouth, actually. This place got big last year, but then it got flooded. And now we're gonna see if they're still here. So, goal today is to catch them. I would think there's a few left over, but we're gonna see. As you can see, it is, maybe you can't really see, but it's blizzarding and it's slushy all over. So it's gonna be fun. That was easy. Oh, jeez. The poor dude unhooked. First fish of the day. It still is okay. Oh man, it's been tough the last few days. Be fun to just pop a pile of them. It's a nice movement. Cool. I don't know how much of that you could see, but that was cool. There we go, number 3. There. There's the little guy. Can we double? God, that was all over the place. My reel is like messed up. Like my reel was like loose. Ouch. Hope that I probably can't see anything, but there's that. There's that. It ain't easy being cheesy. I don't know if you saw him, but there was a fish. That's hilarious. They're not biting it like they normally do. That's a better one. Alright. That was cool. I mean, he's not huge, but he's a good fish. It'll work. Another couple down there. Holy balls, my hands are cold. That's a good mark. Oh, there we go. It's probably the biggest of the day. Right here. Cool. I don't even know where the hole is. There he goes. There, finally. Oh, man. Oh, man. That's good. That will do. Pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. They get bigger. And there's bigger ones in here too. Bluegill. What are we gonna do with the bluegill? Bluegills don't do anything for us. It is kind of funny watching them swim, try and find their way back down the hole. That's a bluegill. Oh no, it's a little bass. Cool. Just a little guy. That's cool. Sorry, I was messing with my drag. Should explain why I barely talked at all during that fish catch. This is a new rod to me, so I'm trying to get it dialed. Another little guy. There it was. I found the hole. Ouch. Well, sorry for the lack of talking in this video, but it was crazy cold and super wet, and I didn't really want to get this camera out because I didn't want to get it wet, so just kind of was what it was today. Kind of a frustrating day, but it ended on a high note, so that's fun. But bounced around with 3 spots, and the third one luckily was the best one, so all right.